to analyze some now. To analyze some now. Analyze some now. Set up to make. There are no magics to be. Okay. Although like so it's a I want to find it now. I saw opportunities. Then I won a lot of that trade. I won a lot of that trade. I won which in the market people individual to be able to combine a lot of things. That in this and instrument that I want to trade. I see a lot of traders. I see a lot of instrument that I want to trade. I see a lot of traders. I see a lot of who even one of this in the dynamics that you will watch six bullet point you need to use you need to analyze with, and you definitely see that GBP you need to analyze with, and you definitely see that GBP is one with the most that is is going to worth other part of this indicator is has detections work or show order detection how they work. This indicates orders are taken. Okay, has and likes don't play and in the balance if you just make the more and more professionally, then another advanced matrix in just make the more and more professionally, then another advanced matrix in. Okay, I don't have to accordingly. I have to make sure that everything works by set this to just make do with what we have. Okay. This dream. Bunch and is over 11 on financial instruments in 11. Then here too is 11. Just and weaknesses. If you double click, if you look at it, it's easier to show dollar. Okay, the row, this is the column. The column for if you go to XAU, although price had been at its closer, like okay, break below and has not also be able to break those is allowing you to look at GBP US. That means that the GBP USD. We go to where okay, now it gives you the overall. You're looking at it from afar. It gives the overall idea of where is JPY is. Okay, you're looking at it, that it is like this. You up about 20-30 profitable to explain, dark. These are all the colors that's currency in real time. So you analyze the market. GBP New Zealand, we saw it earlier on. GBP cut, so GBP is happy. Continue with the land. Let's look at another part and okay, how maths plus channel confidence, which there are moderate according to how an elite signal you would displace according to how an elite signal you would displace an elite is worthy of being traded. Only probability I would rather trade it. Okay, now it is at me as a trader. I would just it is at me as a trader. I would just come here, set, look for the nearest reasonable with which I look for the nearest reasonable with which I can price action can price action to reason off here. Anything the score that was originally to this place, that indicator wrong sell originally to this place, that indicator wrong sell in media overall okay, as signal what momentum of yesterday, okay, as signal what momentum of yesterday with momentum of yesterday with which it was supposed to make from 15, which it was supposed to make from 15, okay, but I really want to from 15, okay, but I really want to know up sell, okay, but I really want to know up sell. Once it begins to have a up sell, once it begins to have a strong buy, USD is going to once it begins to have a strong buy, USD is going to buy. I'll wait, and if we've had strong buy, USD is going to buy. I'll wait, and if we've had this, it could be to buy. I'll wait, and if we've had this, it could be this, it could be this higher high and lower high, lower low. Yes, that's how I'm gonna rate it. For me, that's how I'm gonna rate it. And yes, that's how I'm gonna rate it. For me, that's how I'm gonna rate it. And higher low, so that's it. Get higher low, so that's it. Get it? Okay. That's how I also lose. Get it? Okay. That's how I also lose. Continue with what. So I said the live. What? So I said the live. Okay. Okay. Saying. Then that is what also. Okay. Saying. Then that is what also. Okay. So whatever I buy is, but in the bigger picture, you will also just appear at the top. This I could make. Okay, so that's a very good session content, and okay, so that's a very good session content and market health. Okay, so how does it help? Market health. Here it says strong. We have 6 strong assets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 5 weak, and we have 5 weak assets. 1, 2, 3, 4 assets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to pair this ranked number 6, but both is the bigger in has a bullish, but this point is always going up. I'm going to see, but this point is always going up. I'm going to select this and this, and another top, select this and this, and another top here just that says strength here, just that says strength here, says 80. Calculations here says 80. Calculations here also, everything is saying push the market up. Also everything is saying push the market up. So I'm just going to possible buy. Okay, look at here, this used it, the possible buy. Okay, look at here, this used it, the support is the support is, now look at makes a whole lot of sense. So I'll be looking for a potential buy opportunity for BTC USD here. Condition, it will show you how session context and market health shape market health, how it shape trade selection. Then it will also call out the top real-time opportunities and explain why it qualifies. It is plus institutional order flow, so put together in one system, and this to look as in makes it precision driven, and the peep normalization fair comparisons. Let me just put it to activity. The way they analyze the market, the way they use data, not where mathematical why each signal is triggered. Okay, elite grade 75 for early entries. That is one beautiful part of this software. If it is under 70%, 75, 8, take whatever trade that I need to take. Instant confidence score comes in. All right, and the ATR normalization helps in the hour. Then it will follow smart money footprints. Okay, yeah, the break of structure was made to follow smart money footprint, and unfulfilled institutional orders. Okay, everything is what you get here, and everything put together. Sell if you don't see it there, and pick look at it is here, then it will be easy. Let's look at it is here, then it will be easy. Let's look if it will. Timing is also very good, be used at London, and also during the just to close this, I would say that this is not just to me, it is just to close this, I would say that this is not just to me, it is pool for real traders. Let me not say real trader, for retail traders. Okay, yeah, let me just say, okay, I could also finalize it, just conclude it by saying real trader, because I know traders. Okay, yeah, let me just say, okay, I could also finalize it, just conclude it by saying real trader, because I know a time will come when even prop trader a time will come when even prop traders will request to have a taste of this indicator, as find it is real, and the opportunities are visible before each and every one of us are visible before each and every one of us to see. The opportunities are very visible for us to see. So this is everything for real traders, for responsible traders, for traders that are serious. All right, thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. And before then, okay, all right, thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. And before then, okay, I've just made a trial version out. Okay, set